Do you need a reliable pole chainsaw to maintain your trees but feel unsure which one to choose among so many options? In this video, we've selected the most efficient and user-friendly tools available today. All product links are listed in the description below. To trim branches effectively, it's essential to choose a chainsaw that's powerful, lightweight, and safe to use. We've picked out 3 particularly well-designed models to ensure precise and quick work. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to discover more gardening tools. Here are the 3 best pole chainsaws, from the most affordable to the most high-end. Let's go! First of all, the Seesii PS600 pole chainsaw is an extremely versatile tool, easily convertible into a mini chainsaw for ground-level use. Its telescopic pole allows you to reach up to 3 meters, making it easy to prune high branches without effort. The brushless motor delivers powerful and consistent cutting performance, with a speed of up to 8 meters per second for impressive efficiency. Thanks to its two 4000 mAh batteries, the user enjoys up to 2 hours of runtime, enough to cut as many as 100 branches. The 90-degree rotating head ensures excellent maneuverability, and the 15-centimeter chain can be adjusted quickly without tools. The automatic lubrication system extends the tool's lifespan while minimizing maintenance. It's an ideal solution for gardening enthusiasts and demanding professionals alike. Next, the Worx WG323 pole chainsaw is a versatile and powerful cordless cutting tool designed for easy pruning and trimming. With its tool-free extension pole, it provides a reach of up to 12 pa, allowing you to tackle high branches without a ladder. Weighing only Dix levers, this saw minimizes fatigue while maximizing maneuverability. The 20 volts power share battery delivers impressive cutting performance without the mess or hassle of gas engines. An automatic chain tensioning system keeps the chain at optimal tightness, while the integrated chain lubrication system ensures smooth operation and prolongs tool life. An oil level window gives a clear view of maintenance needs, though the oil itself must be purchased separately. Compatible with over 60 power share tools, the WG323 adds value beyond just yard work. Designed for convenience, power, and comfort, this cordless chainsaw is ideal for homeowners looking to maintain trees and branches with minimal effort. Finally, the Greenworks PS40B210 pole chainsaw offers a user-friendly and efficient solution for trimming branches and maintaining trees. Equipped with an 8 pouces bar and chain, it delivers clean cuts with ease and precision. The automatic oiler provides continuous lubrication to extend chain life, while the easy-to-use chain tensioning system ensures peak performance. Its 3-piece extendable aluminum shaft reaches up to 9 pa, with a maximum reach of 11 pa, making it perfect for high trimming tasks. As a cordless tool, it operates without gas, oil, or emissions, ensuring quiet, maintenance-free use. The included 40 volts 2.0 amperes hour battery and charger provide ample power for most residential yard tasks, and the saw starts instantly with the push of a button. Lightweight and designed for minimal fuss, the PS40B210 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable, low-maintenance performance in a pole chainsaw. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.